Hello everyone, I'd just like to give you a look at yesterday's winning pigeon. A beautiful blue tip hen. She's a dark and young bird. She's just pushing the bud of her second fly. She's bred from a daughter or back to back. On the sire's side, the sire is bred from a son of the Hitman and Harry's hen, and to a daughter of Zeus and Venus. Half sister that never paid. All the winning pigeons in the pedigree of this pigeon. And look at that lovely tame pigeon. She's just beautiful, this pigeon. Gorgeous hen. She's actually paired up to another hen in the box there. They're just sitting there every day, the two of them. And I'll show you some. Just look at the wing on this pigeon. Full wing, but it's I think it's the second flight there. You can just see it there. The second flight is just budding. Yeah. So she held on the darkness really well now. Some pigeons are up a lot further, and then some have only thrown a flight or two. And there she is. Yeah, force fed on a hard northeast wind from Castletown, 153 miles to us. Beautiful blue tip hen.